In design research, the qualitative approaches are often more relevant and appreciated than the quantitative techniques. But if you can handle the quantitative approaches as well, you have a far bigger freedom to start a research. When you review the related works, in fact, the majority of them use the quantitative analysis. Without knowing them, it is quite difficult to learn from the paper. In this video, I'm going to briefly explain about the inferential statistics. Most of the quantitative analysis techniques belong to the inferential statistics because we use statistics mostly for the samples. The inferential statistics allow us to make inferences about a large population from relatively small samples. The inferential statistics are therefore having two main functions. One is to estimate a population parameter from a random sample. The other is to test statistically based hypotheses. Then let's quickly overview the inferential statistics we are going to learn in this semester. As announced, they are grouped into three. The first group is to examine the real difference. The series of chi-square test, t-test, ANOVA test will be the major topics. Then the second group. The second group is to identify a relationship between variables and to quantify them. Starting from the correlation analysis, we will cover regression analysis, conjoint analysis, and factor analysis. The last group is to mine and visualize the underlying or the hidden structure among variables or among cases such as people. The last group will include the network analysis, and that is not mentioned here because it's not the inferential statistic. The start of any inferential statistics is to define a variable. This means you establish a research question with measurable indicators. Let's see the following sentence. To find out the number of children living below the poverty line in North Korea. Do you find any word or words that must be more clearly indicating the meaning? Yes, without defining the poverty line in a measurable way, you cannot perform any of the inferential statistics. In many of the design research, we easily make statements that the solution is better than the others. In this case, you need a comparison target. By defining your research question with clear variables, the scope of your research becomes clear.